Hello investors and welcome into today's video on NIO. Now NIO is an incredible company and I cannot wait to dive through some of the top fundamentals that we have lined up this year, as well as a price prediction over the next 12 months for where I see this stock going, and of course the long-term price prediction for NIO over the next 5 to 10 years as we roll out the decade into electrical vehicle stocks like NIO and Tesla, XPeng and Li Auto. Now it is no surprise to you guys if you are a regular viewer of the channel that NIO is in my top 5 holdings. I love how this stock continued to deliver month after month and they absolutely smash all of their targets out the water. I truly believe that NIO will become a profitable company by the end of 2022. We have so much news to go through in today's video and I cannot wait to share all of the findings that I have recently come across on some very interesting articles about what this stock holds as its future frontline in the next 6 months. But if you are new here first, I just want to say welcome. My name is Jason and I make videos on the stock market every single week. Be sure to go down there and smash that like button. That is all I ask in return for this video. And if you are new, then welcome to this family of investors. Consider hitting that big red subscribe button and I look forward to seeing you in my future videos. Now guys, NIO is in one of the largest market caps in the world, which is China, which has over 1.42 billion people. NIO have their ET7, which is due for deliveries coming into fruition at the beginning of 2022. We also have a global expansion in Norway later this year, as well as some emerging global expansion potentially into the US as early as the end of 2022. Now, JAC Motors has recently come out in a partnership with NIO to double their manufacturing capacity. This is going to allow NIO to have not only a delivery number of over 10,000, but now 20,000 vehicles per month. And they have over 50,000 backlog orders of their new ET7, according to this article that was in fact leaked on a forum in a popular Chinese article online. Now guys, if this is true, we can expect to see NIO profitable potentially as early as the end of next year. And there was more leakage that has said that there is going to be a doubling of orders from now until the end of the year, which means that we could see an over 100,000 vehicles delivered just of the ET7 alone next year. If this is true guys, then NIO is going to be in for an incredible ride. I love everything that this company stands for, and their battery as a swap technology service allows them to have monthly revenues and subscriptions. And if we can continue into June, now that the semiconductor chip shortage has mainly played out, which did affect the share price in the short term, we did see NIO shares go as low as about $30, and we had a lot of people worried that we were not going to see those highs of $40 to $45 for a very long time. And I continue to say on my channel that this was an incredibly undervalued play and this was a fantastic buy the dip opportunity. If you are someone that was recently able to catch this dip, you would now be sitting up about 30% upside just over the last 2 weeks alone. And this is why I continue to deliver videos on NIO every single month on my page, because I absolutely love this stock. I love William Li, one of the CEOs of NIO, and everything that he stands for to grow this company into profitability as soon as he can. You have to remember guys that because they are in China and they are competing against the #1 EV brand, which is Tesla, we have to remember that China will not allow an American company to become the leader. It is very clear that the Chinese government has done everything they can to ensure NIO's future. The government backed NIO in the early days and gave them billions of dollars to bail them out and help them grow into such an expansive company. And now they are starting to realize just how amazing this company is going to be. And another aspect to NIO is that they are not only an EV maker, but they are a lifestyle brand, because they are in China, and now that they have a contract with Alibaba to in fact sell their products to over 860 billion people that have access to the internet in China, we are going to see another push in their revenues over the next few quarters as NIO starts to roll out some of their lifestyle products. I love everything that this company are doing, and later this year, once we do have that global expansion into Norway, we are also going to see another surge in those shares. I am not worried about what the bears say on NIO because I do think that it is a load of baloney. This company could become one of the top electrical vehicle manufacturers in China. Just look at how sleek their NIO ET7 design is. This company have it down, and they are a luxury premium brand. Cathie Wood believes that China is going to favour its top manufacturers, and NIO is in that line. Let's listen to this quick clip by Cathie Wood.
China is going to favor its local producers like NIO. They're granting subsidies to NIO, which they are not granting to Tesla. So it has always been obvious that China would favor a local producer.
So guys, there is no denying that this is an incredible once-in-a-lifetime opportunity. Electrical vehicles are here to stay, and they are the future. I really do believe that this company are in line to be one of the top 3 electrical vehicle producers in the entire world. And once we do start to see those global emissions needing to be cut due to global requirements that the governments are setting around the world, we are going to see a massive surge in the share price for companies like NIO. Now, another reason why NIO is so fantastic is because of the fact of their LiDAR technology, which will allow them to have an autonomous driving taxi network. NIO knows that to have an autonomous taxi network that will lead in sales is going to put them in sight for profitability at a much faster rate. And their NAMI system, as you can see, is extremely advanced. They have road mapping awareness skills beyond any of our imaginations, and they continue to raise their expectations and gather data faster than any of the electrical vehicle makers out there. And this is why I am a true believer in the stock of NIO, and why we are going to see such a surge in those shares in the long term. And once we do get to a position where we are producing over 100,000 vehicles per month, which I do believe is going to happen at some point in the future, we are going to see this stock in the triple-digit range, which is why I have been buying up this stock aggressively ever since it was in the teens. And I have continued to make videos on NIO every single time that we have had any bad news, because this is going to be a fantastic buy the dip opportunity, because once this stock comes into its maximum capacities of delivering those vehicles and we get that LiDAR technology system out with these autonomous vehicles, we are going to see an incredible future for NIO. So guys, I hope that you did enjoy this video today. If you did, don't forget to go down there and smash that like button as always, and don't forget to hit that big red subscribe button. If you would like access to any of my private sell alerts, be sure to join the Patreon. I will leave a link below in the description. I hope to see you guys back on my videos soon for some more content on investing. Have a great weekend guys, and I will see you in my next video. Ciao.